What's up guys? Welcome back to Honest Cooks. Today we're making tandoori chicken without the tandoor in a home oven. Let's get started. We'll be marinating our chicken in some yogurt, ginger garlic paste, and a couple other spices. You can either use ginger garlic paste from the stores or you can make fresh ginger garlic paste at home. I'm using chicken drumsticks here. You can use any other cut of chicken, just make sure they're about the same size so that they cook evenly in the oven. Washing the chicken is an optional step depending on your preferences, but if you do wash it, make sure you dry it off really well. And when you're ready, marinate your chicken in all of the ingredients and then cover, set it aside for 40 minutes. Heat your oven to the highest possible temperature. For me, that was 500 Fahrenheit. And we will be putting our chicken on the very top rack of the oven as close to the electric rods as we can. Since I did not have a wire rack, I used a sheet tray that had holes on it and then used another sheet pan under it. Use a wire rack if you have one. Gently wipe off the excess marinade. It can prevent the chicken from browning. Place your chicken on your prepared sheet tray. Make sure you have something under it so that it holds the fat that drops from the chicken when it's cooking. This is another optional step, but you can brush your chicken with a mixture of oil, lime juice, and a little bit of paprika to give it that reddish color that they have in the restaurants. And when you're done coating your chicken with this chili paste, place it on the very topmost rack of a preheated oven. Once you have the desired level of browning on the chicken skin, you can move it to the lower rack to finish cooking. And when the chicken is falling off the bone, it's ready to devour. There you have it guys, tandoori chicken in your home oven. Garnish it with a sprinkle of lime juice and fresh coriander. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Honest Cooks. I will see you next week with a brand new recipe with how to turn your leftover tandoori chicken into a delicious chicken curry. Until then, stay safe and have a lovely day.